Welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadhava classes. We are going to take your next lesson, and the name of the lesson is a look inside the body. A look inside the body. So let's see, guys. काय दिलं आपल्याला यामध्ये? What is given in this chapter, guys? You can see here. There are some questions. The question is why does chest expand when we breathe in? जेव्हा आपण श्वास घेतो आपली छाती फुगते, right? The doctor puts her fingers on your wrist. कधी कधी बघितलंय का डॉक्टर इथे आपलं काय करतात, आपल्या मनगटावर हात ठेवतात आणि काय करतात, पल्स चेक करतात. आपलं काय चेक करतात? You too can feel your pulse. What causes this throbbing? Throbbing म्हणजे काय? आवाज येतो ना आपल्याला, ब्लड आपलं बघा. थ्रॉबिंग म्हणजे काय, तर आपला जो काही नसाचा उडण्याचा तुम्हाला आवाज येतो ते तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी जातो. So what are the internal organs, guys? We have many different tasks to do. We use certain specific parts of the body to do them, and the organs which are situated inside the body are known as internal organs. Okay, जे organs आपल्या शरीराच्या आतमध्ये असतात, they are known as internal organs. Now there are different things like seeing, walking, hearing, writing. We do this with the help of organs. Now you know very well they are known as sensory organ. They are known as sensory organ. A part of the body that is used to perform a certain function is called an organ. Okay, so what is organ? A part of the body that is used to perform a certain function is known as organ. Then we use legs to walk, hence our legs are our organs for walking. We use ears for hearing, then their ears are organs for hearing. Getting, guys? So they are the organs for hearing. Next, go ahead. Let's see, guys. Yes. Then organs that are outside the body, organs on the outside body of our body, outside of our body are known as external organs. Which are the example? External head virus, ears, nose, arms, and legs are on the outside of our body. Hence, they are our external organs. They can be easily seen. Organs that make us aware of the situation around us are called sensory organs. Ears, eyes, nose, tongue, and skin are known as our sensory organ or sense organs. Getting, guys? So let's go ahead. So the organs which are inside the body, they are known as internal organs. Internal organs. It cannot be seen from the outside. So many functions of the body go inside the body. A network of blood vessels is spread throughout the body. Blood flows through them continuously. The air we breathe in is carried to all parts of the body through the blood. The food that we eat is digested. These functions are carried out by different organs known as internal organs. Let us learn a few things about them. Internal organs. So तुम्हाला काय काय दिलं बघा इथे, special places for internal organs. Okay. So there are different cavities in our body. The body मध्ये cavities असतात. There are different cavities in our body. So this is known as cranial cavity, thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity, pelvic cavity. The organs inside the body that perform certain important body function need to secure. The structure of our body is then they remain in particular spaces no matter how much we move. They are hollow spaces. These are the hollow. There are hollow spaces for each organ inside the head and the torso. Inside the head and the torso, they are known as cavities. So you can see the cavities. This cavity contains brain. Thoracic cavity contains your heart, lungs, right? Liver. Then the cavity inside the head is known as cranial cavity. So this is the cranial cavity in which you have a brain, in which we all have a brain. Now, let's see other cavities. The cavity in the torso has three parts. The chest is called as the thoracic cavity. Then we have abdominal cavity, Abdominal cavity is also two parts, pelvic cavity and abdominal cavity. So याच्यामध्ये सगळे ऑर्गॅनिझम आपले काय असतात प्लेस असतात. ऑल द इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द बॉडी आर सिच्युएटेड इन दीज कॅव्हिटी. ते कसे असतात सेफ असतात, सेफ असतात आतमध्ये बरोबर. They are situated in such a way that they will not leave their places and move here and there. कुठे हलत दुलत ते getting guys. चलो आगे जाएंगे. Now you have given a esophagus. So what is esophagus guys? बघा जसं या माणसाने बादली भरण्यासाठी नळ वापरलेला आहे. इथे नळ आहे, इथे बादली आहे. मग त्याने काय केलं, बादली गटवत आहे तर त्याने एक पाईप लावलेला आहे. तर असाच पाईप आपल्या शरीरामध्ये आहे, त्याला आपण esophagus म्हणतो. इट इज फ्रॉम अवर माउथ टू द स्टमक. दिसतो तुम्हाला, माउथ टू द स्टमक. Getting? So this is the mouth, this is the stomach, and the esophagus जो आहे ना तो त्याला कनेक्ट करतो. दिसतो तुम्हाला. So the picture alongside shows two internal organs, the mouth and the stomach, and it is connected by the esophagus. Correct? The esophagus is or the gullet suddha म्हणतात. Okay, so it is a tube in the thoracic cavity to transport food from the mouth to the stomach. आपण जे काय अन्न खातो ते आपल्या इथून ट्रान्सपोर्ट होतं कुठपर्यंत, आपल्या स्टमक पर्यंत. आणि ते कॅरी कोणामुळे कॅरी होतं ते युसोफेगस. समजा एक काय आहे तर ते ट्यूब आहे त्या ठिकाणी. Now we use mouth to eat our food. The tongue tells us that the taste of the food. We chew food with our teeth. As we chew it, our saliva mixes with food. As a result, what happens? The food forms a moist lump. Food का होता है एक moist lump बनता है, and then it goes inside the moist lump होता है, ठीक है. त्यानंतर आपण ते swallow करतो, घेतो तो salt ball आपल्या mouth मध्ये. This food passes through the throat in the esophagus मध्ये जातं. The wall of the esophagus कशी असते ती flexible असते, लक्षात घ्या. This makes it possible to carry out the food from the throat to the stomach. म्हणजे हे असं आपलं अन्न कुठे आपल्या पोटामध्ये जात असतं, in the stomach. Stomach मध्ये काय होतं, digestion. Okay, digestion starts in the stomach. No, so what happens? A journey of the food begins in the mouth. पोटामध्ये आपलं जर्नी चालू होऊन जाते. Internal organs in the abdomen help to digest it. The undigested, unwanted part is passed out to the anus in the form of feces. सकाळ डबा घेऊन आपण जातो. That is the part which is undigested. That is their journey ends. Food travels through a pipe-like pathway from the mouth to the anus. It is called as alimentary canal. The 9 meter long oscillation. It is made up of number of internal organs. Then the esophagus is what? Esophagus is a part of alimentary canal. It is a part of alimentary canal. Getting guys? It is a part of alimentary canal. Then come toward the heart. Heart work आहे तुमचा, heart म्हणजे. So heart is what? It is there is a blood in our body. We know very well. आपल्या शरीरात blood आहे. So we take air when we breathe in. So what happens बघा? The air which is taken कुठे असते ती lungs मध्ये असते. And from here there is an exchange of air. Exchange of the air. We take oxygen inside the body and we give out carbon dioxide outside the body. So in the lungs, what happens? Say lungs मध्ये काय होतं? It gets the oxygen get mixed with the blood. बरोबर, oxygen काय होतं? Blood बरोबर mix होऊन जातो. Now our blood carries all parts of the body. सगळे parts blood carries the air to all parts of the body. The food that we get digested, it is the blood that carries the digested food to every part of the body. For these purposes, it is necessary to keep blood flowing through the blood vessels that spread throughout the body. पूर्ण बॉडीवर आपलं रक्त पसरलेलं असतं. It carries air, it carries digested food. It is the function of the heart to keep blood flowing. Okay, आता ब्लड कोणामुळे फ्लो होतं तर हार्टमुळे. It is a pumping organ म्हणतो त्याला, known as pumping organ. The heart is an important internal organ. It is in the center of the thoracic cavity. A little to its left. ठीक आहे. It is slightly bigger than one's fist. Fist म्हणजे काय तर आपल्या हाताची मूठ त्यापेक्षा थोडंसं मोठं आहे ते. The walls of the heart are also flexible. They are also flexible. Getting guys? You can see the position of the heart. दिसतं तुम्हाला? Now. हार्ट काय करतो आपलं? हार्ट कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट्स अँड रिलॅक्स. हार्टचं कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन आणि रिलॅक्सेशन होत असतं. कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन आणि रिलॅक्सेशन. सो हार्ट बिकम स्मॉलर जेव्हा ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होतं आणि जेव्हा ते रिलॅक्स होतं कसं होतं थोडंसं रेग्युलर साईज होते येत असतं. आणि यामुळे काय होतं तर रक्त आपल्या शरीरावर पसरवलं जातं. The blood is spread all over the body. Getting? The heart contracts and relaxes continuously, alternatively without stopping. When it contracts, the blood in the heart is pushed into the blood vessels. At every contraction, it is pushed further and further. Then let's see what is given to you guys. A contraction of heartbeat is a contraction of heart is known as heartbeat. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण heartbeat म्हणतो. If you place your hand on the middle of the chest, left hand side तुम्ही जर केलं असेल तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी आवाज येईल बघा, थ्रॉबिंग तुम्हाला ऐकायला येईल. दॅट इज नोन एज द पल्स. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण पल्स म्हणतो. दिसतंय. त्यानंतर आपण जाऊया लंग्स कडे. We have two lungs. Okay, we have two lungs. When we breathe in, we take air in through the nose. The internal organs through which this air is supplied to the body are known as lungs. There are two lungs, guys. There are two lungs present here. Okay, here are the two lungs present. They are in the thoracic cavity. One is on the right hand side and one is on the left hand side. The heart is between the lungs, little to the left. Then the left lung has slight depression. The right lung is slightly bigger than the left lung. ठीक है. आगे बघा, पुढे जाऊया. काय बघा अजून पुढे. आता the lung is what? Lung also, I already told you that there is a windpipe. There is like a windpipe, or a windpipe also. A pipe-like internal organ that carries air, we breathe it into the lungs. The nose pasun lung paranta cast windpipe. Okay, there is a windpipe from the nose to the lungs. Upon the elementary can work it in used to take it like that. Getting sure. So the function of the heart and the lungs depend on each other. Both these organs are very important. Internal organs are very important. They are situated in the thoracic cavity inside a cage made up of bones and the rib cage. Bone and the rib cage. छातीचा सापळा तुम्ही पाहिला असेल. छातीचे जे काही समोर हाड असतात त्याच्या आतमध्ये दोन सगळे organs. Then we have another important organ, that is the brain. That is the brain. Let's see, guys. Here the brain is situated inside the cranial cavity. So brain is situated in the cranial cavity. It is very important internal organ. It controls all that we do. लक्षात घ्या, आपण जे काही करतो ते सर्व brain अवलंबून असतं. It is in the brain that we become aware of our emotions such as anger. आपल्याला राग येतो, आपल्याला आनंद होतो, आपल्याला दुःख होतं. Everything is controlled by the brain. The meaning of the information collected by our sensory organ is also understood in the brain. Brain चं खूप महत्त्वाचं काम असतं, लक्षात घ्या आपल्या. So if काही कारणास्तव काय झालं की if there is injury to the brain, it can make one disable for life. It can even cause death. तुम्ही कधी कधी ऐकलं असेल कोणतरी कोमामध्ये गेलेला आहे. कोमामध्ये गेल्यानंतर काय होतं की माणसाचा मेंदूला धक्का बसलेला असतो. माणूस कोमामध्ये जातो आणि वाचण्याची शक्यता कमी असते. Hence the brain needs to be totally protected. तर स्कल मध्ये असतं आपल्या डोक्याचे जे काही हाडं असतात कवटी असतात त्याच्यामध्ये आपलं ब्रेन. Now the structure of the brain is the structure of our body is very complex. There are large number of organs inside our body which help to perform all its functions smoothly. It is very interesting to learn about all these organs. Getting guys? So खूप important आपल्या बॉडी बद्दल आपण मोजकेच शिकलो आहे. जास्त काही आपण याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला धड्यात एवढंच दिलं होतं. पण आपली बॉडीचं कॉम्प्लेक्स खूप आहे. आपली बॉडी खूप मोठी इंटरेस्टिंग अँड कॉम्प्लेक्स सुद्धा आहे. तर तुमच्या वेळी डॉक्टर वगैरे झालं तुम्हाला त्या गोष्टी लगेच कळतील. Now the numerous important functions of the body that go inside our body are carried out by different organs. These organs are inside our body. They cannot be seen from the outside. They are known as internal organs. Then what we have learned, guys, the body is structured in such a way that internal organs remain safe within the cavities inside the head and the trunk. Esophagus carry the swallowed food from the throat to the stomach, and it is in the thoracic cavity. Then we have seen about the lungs. काय शिकलो आपण? lungs, फुफ्फुसांबद्दल शिकलो. heart शिकलो. The heart keeps the blood flowing throughout the blood vessels throughout the body, through the blood vessels throughout the body. Then we have learnt about the lungs. They are interdependent. They are in the rib cage in the thoracic cavity only. And finally, we have seen the about brain, which is it is also an important internal organ. It is inside the skull in cranial cavity. It performs various functions like controlling movement, become aware of emotions, interpreting the information collected by sense organs like that. जे काही आपला मेंदू चालतो किंवा मेंदूवर सर्व गोष्टी अवलंबून असतात. तुम्हाला रंग कळतो, गंध कळतो, वास कळते, सर्व सर्व ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन इज मेंटेन म्हणतात किंवा इज thought by the brain. सर्व आपल्या मेंदूवर अवलंबून असतात. Some question answers are there, easy आहे. Try to find out questions and answers. Get it. So have a good day, guys.